Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick update tonight because we have been a little absent from the channel lately, right? We did do a live stream this weekend when I was out at the homestead with Art, but halfway through we realized that the audio was not working. So everything that we were telling you guys in that video you didn't hear. So we're gonna start over. We're gonna do another video from the homestead, hopefully this coming weekend, to show you what is happening and some of our plans. We've had a lot of ups and downs, mostly downs, but I think we are coming out of that season now. I hope and pray that we are, but we do have a lot of exciting things that are now starting to happen after so much time of just waiting, it felt like. So we're finally starting to make some progress. So we have a lot of updates in so many different directions. We have updates about multiple things. But anyway, first tonight, I wanted to let you know that we have become an affiliate with Temu. And the reason why we wanted to do that is because we have so many products from there that we just absolutely love. And you know, our entire mission is about going the second mile for someone in your life and with your resources. Your resources, one of those being your money. And, you know, we are very budget minded, which is one of the reasons why we haven't made much progress with the homestead, because it takes money, and we are both very tight with our money. So we don't like to spend money until it's absolutely necessary and until we know that we found the best deal. So partnering with Temu was a no-brainer, but we have several products that we are going to be showing you guys over the next couple of weeks because we truly believe in these products. And some of them are things that other people may be hesitant to purchase online until you've seen it in person. And that's why I want to do these reviews, to show you, because they were products that I was hesitant about, but I'm just blown away. And I'm talking about products that are under 20 bucks. Okay. So if you're in the market for any of those products, please do watch the videos. Please do share them with people that you know, but also please do click the links. Even if you don't make a purchase, it helps the algorithm, right, when you do click our links. So first I want to ask you, do you have a dark area in your home anywhere? Maybe a closet or a bathroom or a pantry or anything like that, just a dark anything. We do not have a light in our pantry in this house, and we also didn't have lights over by our coffee bar, which was a very dark corner. We've since moved the coffee bar, but the lights are still there. So I want to show you these USB lights, and I want to show you my routine of how I do this. They are the greatest thing. I have them in 4 different places, and I bought the 6-pack. So as soon as one dies, I put it on the charger. I go grab one out of the drawer that's already charged, and I hang it up. And then, you know, maybe every couple of days, I have to go put one on the charger. And I always have 2 charged in the drawer. So, they rotate very, very well. The magnets are nice and strong, and I'm going to go show that to you guys right now. But before we do that, I want to tell you that the next products I'm going to review, I'm going to review 2 of them to share with you guys. They are my 2 favorite products that I love using them. I bought them for the garden, okay? Both of them I bought for the garden, but I since realized how useful they are in my house. I use both of them in my house and in my garden. And, you know, I do some cleaning businesses and houses on the side, and I use both of these items when I go clean other places as well. And I really, really think you guys are going to like these. They aren't products that you would normally use together, but I use them both so much at around the same time. So that's why I'm going to show them to you. So make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss that one, because I really think you're going to like it. And it's like under $30, so it's not a major purchase or anything, but very, very, very helpful to have in the house and in the garden. So I can't wait to show you guys. So let's go check out those lights though. I think you're going to like this. Okay, so we are here in my pantry, and you can, oh, don't tell me it died. Okay, well, this will be the perfect way to show you. Okay, oh wait, no, I just put it on backwards. I'm sorry. Okay, so see this thing, see the little, well, it's hard to tell, but see that little bubbly part right there? That's the sensor. So you can see it on this one right here. So when I hung this one up here, can you see the magnets there and the magnets there? I always put this here so that the sensor picks up the motion as soon as I open the door. And then same thing with that one, I put the sensor down at the bottom. So you can see that it lights. Sorry, I need to take out my trash. I should have done that. Anyway, you can see that it does light the pantry very nicely. And let me show you, just to give you an example, how dark, see how dark that pantry is without the lights? So let's do that again. And let me give you some tips too, if you do these. So see how light it is? Isn't that great? Okay. And I have had these for over a year, guys. I bought a 6-pack, but they're still going strong. So when you get them, it comes with a bunch of these magnets, okay? So I put the magnet part on the back of the lights, and I put the metal pieces on my cabinets. I guess you could do it either way. It doesn't really matter. But what I did is I lined all of them up, okay? Oh, by the way, let me show you how this works. So you can flip it to off. It has 3 modes. Can you see that? That's off. This is motion sensor. And this one is just to keep it on, like to keep it on for good, right? Okay, so that we're back on motion sensor. Okay, so when I did mine, and see, you can hang them up like with nails if you wanted to, but I didn't find that necessary since it comes with the magnets. So I lined all 6 of mine up, just like that, right? And then I put the magnets on at the exact same spot. It's important to do this so that because you may, if you put them in random spots, then when you, come on, let's turn on some light. Okay, so then when you hang up your magnets, if they were all random, then certain lights wouldn't fit in certain areas, right? So after I put the magnets on and had those in the right place, then I stuck the metal pieces to each one and then took the adhesive off, exposed the adhesive, and then went around and put the lights where I wanted them to go so that the magnet, so that the metal, I would just pushed it on to get the metal secure. And then, does that make sense? If it doesn't, just ask me in the comments and I'll clarify that for you guys. But anyway, so every couple of days I might open this pantry and one of the lights doesn't come on. So I'll show you what I do here in just a second. But first, let me show you where the other 2 are. Okay, forgive me because my kitchen's a little messy right now. I'm trying to take it apart and pack. But our coffee bar used to be right here, and that's why we had these 2. Let me step back and kind of show you. And it's still helpful because it is a dark corner. So see how it does help when they go off, you'll really see. It's just kind of, see, it's kind of dark over there. But you can also see the little bubble thingies, the sensors. That's why I have them in the front, because if I had them in the back, you would really have to be back there for it to pick up your motion, if that makes sense. So anyway, let me show you. See, they're just the magnets are stuck up there, and can you see the metal? Okay, we'll just pretend like this one needs to be charged, okay? So once it's dead, I go ahead and turn it into the off position. So that's the far left, okay? And it comes, ignore my office. Again, we are packing and everything, so that's why everything's a mess right now. So it does come with the USB charger, and it comes with 6 of them, believe it or not, which I don't charge them all at the same time, but I have those same types of chargers all over the place. So like one of my ring batteries is plugged in here. So here's this one on the charger, and of course while it's charging it turns red. Once it's done charging, the light goes off so that you know that it's done. So let's just pretend like we're swapping the, well, we're pretending, but we really are doing it. Okay, so again, this is the one that we just took off. So let me see if I can do this one-handed. See, it just plugs in right there. So that's gonna charge. And this is a metal thing, that's why my light keeps sticking to it. Okay, so now we're gonna go plug this one in, or not plug it in, I mean, pop it up here. So again, I just moved it into the middle, which is the motion. You can see it right there, the motion activated one. So there we go. And that is my recommendation for these lights. Okay, that is it about the lights. That is our way of going the second mile with our finances, but also sharing that with you guys. So we're going the second mile for you by letting you know how you can save some money if you have a dark corner in your house that you need to shed some light on. So I hope you are subscribed. I hope you will stick around and watch some more videos. We have a super exciting announcement. Hopefully I will go live with that exciting announcement tomorrow, I'm hoping. So stay tuned for that. And then this weekend, when I get back out to the homestead, we are gonna try to bring you guys in on what all is happening, because we've had a lot of issues and we've had to make a lot of changes. So things aren't going quite so well at the homestead. So we will update you on all of that this weekend. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for being here. I love you all so much. Remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources.